Number 5. Tata Coffee Grand Filter Coffee, 500 grams. Approx price, 252 rupees. Roast and ground filter coffee. Perfect mix of coffee and chicory. Plantation fresh coffee.
Number 4. Bevzilla 60 Instant Coffee Powder Sachets, 4 flavors, 120 grams. Approx price, 229 rupees. 15 sachets each flavor: English butterscotch, Colombian gold, French vanilla and Turkish hazelnut. Indulge in the real goodness of 100% pure Arabica beans with Bevzilla coffee powder. A great blend of flavors. The Bevzilla coffee powder is made from 100% pure Arabica beans. This instant blend of coffee has plant-based vitamins, making it a healthier alternative to your regular coffee. Number 3. Continental Coffee Extra Instant Coffee Powder Jar, 200 gm. Approx price, 369 rupees. Instant 70%, coffee 30%, chicory mixture. Granulated coffee which locks the aroma and flavor. Fresh coffee aroma is preserved for a rich coffee experience. Carefully chosen coffee beans blended with roasted chicory to provide a strong cup of rich tasting. Number 2. Nescafe Gold Rich and Smooth Instant Coffee Powder, 90 grams jar. Approx price, 500 rupees. Nescafe Gold brings you coffee at its best. Artfully crafted blend of the finest Arabica and Robusta coffee beans for a rich and smooth taste. Truly distinctive premium blend crafted by our blenders and roasters. Roasted with care and freeze-dried to lock in the rich aroma. Nescafe Gold truly is the most sophisticated, well-rounded cup of coffee. Number 1. Brew Instant Aromatic Coffee. From South Indian plantations, premium blend of Robusta and Arabica beans for a rich coffee experience, 200 grams. Approx price, 522 rupees. Real taste of South Indian coffee. Fine blend. Brew Instant is made with a blend of 70% coffee and 30% chicory. Great aroma of freshly roasted coffee beans. Instantly made.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.